Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and let's try to understand data viewing features available in MS Excel. So for this, we will go in the workbook of MS Excel. Now activate the view from here. Three views are available: normal, page break preview, and page layout view. So we'll start with the first one, normal view. It displays the worksheet with cells, columns, rows, visible for data entry, editing, formatting, and viewing. The next is page layout view. This one. It allows you to visualize header, footer, margins, and other print settings. This view is helpful for adjusting the layout of content to fit properly on printed pages. Next view. Click here. Page break preview. So it provides a visual representation of where Excel will insert page breaks when printing your worksheet. So it gives you the information that this is your first page and this will be printed on the second page. The next feature is freezing the panes. So this feature is available from here. The freeze panes feature in Excel allows you to lock rows or columns, making them constantly visible while you scroll through a large data set. This feature is incredibly useful when working with extensive spreadsheets, as it helps to keep headers or important information visible at all times. The first is this option, freeze pane, the first one. So it is used when we want to freeze multiple rows or columns. Now, how it can be done? Please watch carefully. Suppose I want to freeze from here, total and total. So the intersecting point is this one. I again repeat. See, I want to freeze from here. So let me select this. The intersecting point is here. Keep your cursor and activate freeze panes. Now see what happens. When you will scroll, neither the columns will change nor the rows will change. See, this much data has been freezed. Now if you want to unfreeze it, again go here, unfreeze panes. The second option is freeze top row. So I want to freeze this months. So you keep the cursor anywhere and anywhere in the first row and freeze the top row. Done. Now see, scroll. The top row will not change. You want to freeze the column. So these are basically the genre of movies. So fantasy, fiction, non-fiction. You want to freeze it. So freeze first column. Now scroll. You can see the first column is not changing. The next feature which we want to understand is arrange all. So I will close this data set and I'll open data set 1. So it consists of zone and sales. Let me zoom in. And I'll open another data set 2. So it also consists of zone and sales. Now you go in view, activate arrange all, activate horizontal. Both the data set 1 and data set 2 will be arranged horizontally. Now again click on arrange all, vertical. So two data sets will be arranged side by side. You can see. Now there is one option here, view side by side. See, at present, when you will scroll this, no changes appear on the dataset 2, this dataset 2. But you want the scrolling should be done simultaneously in both the Excel sheet. So what you can do, view side by side and activate the scrolling. Activate the scrolling here. From here, activate it. Let me expand. 1, 2. Now just see, when I'll do the scrolling here, it will simultaneously happen in dataset 2 also. So scrolling in dataset 1, synchronize with dataset 2. Just observe. So this is the feature of view side by side, synchronous scrolling. Now click on reset window positions. Arrange all, click on it and cascade. Okay. So dataset 1, dataset 2, still there is one more feature. Activate dataset 3, dataset 4, right? So these are all related to zone and sales. Now what you will do, go in view, arrange all and activate tiled. Click OK. Amazing. Dataset 1, 2, 3, 4. All of them are active. Can you see this? Dataset 1, 2, 3. So your screen has got divided into 4 parts. Still one more feature is there. And that is, again click on arrange all, activate cascade, click OK. 1, 2, 3. Go in view. You want to do the splitting. You want to split. So click here. Wherever the cursor will be there, the splitting will be done from that point. Now, what is the advantage of this splitting in comparison to arrange all? In arrange all, 4 different data sets can be brought into one view. But in splitting, the same data set you will be able to see in 4 windows. 1 and same data set. So your screen has got splitted into 4 parts with the same data. In arrange all, 4 different data can be brought into one window. So this was all about viewing data in Excel. For more such videos in Excel, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I already uploaded many videos on Excel.